Hello, my name is Bill, and today I want to show you how to make an easy but great tasting lunch for your friends and family. I remember making this chicken cashew salad when I lived in Denver. Working in a restaurant, I would get there at 4 a.m. to start baking. So I'd take an early lunch and make a sandwich, then climb up on the roof and enjoy my break with this yummy lunch. If you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe to see more of my recipes. First off, I prefer to use split breast that I had previously grilled and deboned. You can grill or roast the chicken. I then cut them into bite-sized pieces, be a little more than a cup of chicken. Boneless breast will also work, but I find they can be dry. I'm using my grandmother's bowl. This is a Pyrex mixing bowl from 1945. I love it. I have the whole set. In the bowl I have half a cup of mayo and 1/8 a cup of Dijon mustard. I mix in half a cup of chopped red onion, half a cup of cut celery, and this is a half a teaspoon of ground sage and a half a teaspoon of curry. I like to add a little fresh ground pepper. And this is how I like to cut the celery, just so I can show you something. I buy the little bite-sized snack packs of celery, and all you have to do, I like to cut both ends off because they're usually a little brown. Then I cut the celery into like 3 pieces lengthwise, and then I chop it. I like to add the chicken gently, stirring it in. Spatula always works really great for this. Might look a little wet until you get the cashews in there. That'll be okay. If possible, refrigerate right till you're ready to eat it. That can be up to a day ahead of time. Then when you're ready to serve it, I take my 3/4 of a cup of cashews. You can use honey roasted cashews if you want to make it a little sweeter. I like to serve it in a pita. Scoop some up. That. This is for me, so I'll add a little more. You can add a piece of tomato, which I can slice here. Piece of Swiss cheese, and a little bit of green stuff always helps. Doesn't it look great? You can serve this with fruit for an easy meal, and of course a nice glass of French Chardonnay like a Pouilly Fussé would go great with this. Please enjoy and thank you. Have a great day.